update. Should be part 5 now. As you might be able to hear in my voice, I've been a little sick and just a little burned out and just kind of slow going at this point. Weather's finally cooled down and hopefully back to working on this pretty soon once I feel better. But figured I'd give a quick update today. Cleaned up the axle, all the little leaf perches right there, and the old shock tabs. Just making sure it was all cleaned up. Cleaned up inside here, just the mating surface for the ball joints. Got 3 rotors, but I have all 3 of them media blasted this week. Hopefully to knock off some of that rust and that dirt and crap that's all in there. Clean those up a little bit. You see a 3rd one there. So we get those all up. A couple weekends ago I finally got shelf all cleaned up, fairly organized. Got my knuckles and brackets and tabs and stuff, springs right there, spindles, calipers, more knuckles, and then the next shelf up here. You guys still working on it slowly. Got the transfer case up on the bench. I actually pulled out my adapter today and checked on the orientation of it being clocked down pretty far, actually, a little bit more than I had expected. It turns out that this plane right here, you can see, is actually laying vertical when it's in the truck. So I thought that was kind of impressive that it dropped so far. So anyway, it's really the only progress I've got so far. Sorry it's such a small update, but really antsy to get this going, but I don't think it'll be finished till well after the first of the year. Still got a handful of parts to gather. Shocks, gears, steering box, handful of other things. So kind of the essentials at this point is to get this under the truck, but I did pick up some tube a couple weeks ago, some 1 3/4 for the tube truss that I'll be doing over the top of the axle here. Should be coming all the way up here, up and over and down, and then I'll gust it down a couple spots just to make sure that it's nice and strong. Plus, it'll give me the 3rd link going down the arm. It'll give me a solid point to attach that 3rd arm to, that 3rd link to. So hang with me as I slowly keep on this project. I don't know when I'll be done, but I don't think I'll be racing to get it done before weather hits. We already had 2 small little bits of snow, but as you can see outside, it's all gone by now. So anyway, let me know what you guys think.